A world where no job is too big and no kid is too small.
Wait! Stay together! Tracker, I can't see them anymore! It's a beautiful day for a desert trek, Tracker. I'm all ears, Carlos. The baby camels look very happy to be moving to the new watering hole.
We just need to cross the Great Dune, then it's a short walk to the water.
Wait, my ears are picking up a strange sound. It sounds like a giant fan. Oh no, that's not a fan, Tracker. That's a massive sandstorm.
The wind shifted suddenly. We didn't get the localized alert in time.
We need to get the camels to safety. They're starting to get scared.
Wait!
Stay together. Tracker, I can't see them anymore.
Everything is orange! I can't see me own paws! Ryder, it's emergency! A sandstorm swallowed the camels! We read you, Tracker. Stay where you are. No job is too big, no pup is too small. PAW Patrol, to the lookout! Emergency at the Desert Safari!
Whoa! I guess I'm already in the desert spirit.
PAW Patrol, ready for action. Ryder, sir.
A massive sandstorm has separated the camel herd. They are lost in the blinding dust. Sky, I need you to use your helicopter and thermal goggles to spot heat signatures through the dust.
This pup's gotta fly.
Rubble, I need you to bring your bulldozer to build a sand shield windbreak to protect the camels.
Rubble on the double!
Tracker, you'll be our eyes on the ground. Use your super hearing to guide the team.
PA Patrol is on a roll.
Let's take to the sky!
Time to move some sand!
We're almost at the storm front. Stay sharp, team.
Whoa! Whoa! That storm looks even bigger from up here!
Ryder! Amigo! I'm so glad you're here. Tracker is already inside the storm. I can hear them! And they're crying for help, but the wind is so loud!
Activating thermal goggles. Searching for heat signatures.
I found them! 4 baby camels are huddling behind a large rock at Grid Sector 7.
Tracker, do you see Sector 7? Rubble, follow Tracker's lead. Cables deployed! I'm heading to the camels! Whoa! This sand is deeper than a swimming pool! Hola, little friends! Don't be scared! Tracker is here to help! Just stay low. My friends are coming with a big shield. I'm here! Let's get this sand shield started! Anchor points ready! Sky, drop the tarp!
Coming down! Hang on to it, Rubble!
This wind is really pushing back.
Force. Rubble, angle the tarp at 45 degrees. It will deflect the wind up and over the camels instead of catching it like a sail.
It worked, Ryder. The wind is going right over us.
Good job, Rubble. They feel much better now.
The storm is starting to pass, Ryder. I can see the edge of the dust cloud. Great work, everyone. The storm is over.
I'm here with the refreshments, and by that, I mean water.
Fresh, cool water for the desert ships. Drink up, camels! They were so thirsty! You saved them, Payout Patrol!
Tracker, you are the best desert explorer I know. Gracias, amigo.
I'm just glad my big ears could find them.
De nada, Carlos!
Today we learned that the desert can change very quickly. It's important to always check weather alerts.
And if you get caught in a storm, don't run around. Find a low spot and stay put.
That's right. Staying in one place makes it much easier for us to find you with our gadgets.
And don't forget to cover your face to protect your breathing from the dust.
Cheese! Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
No job is too big, no pup is too small. Word! Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.
Whoa! I guess I wanted a desert bath after all.
You're a funny firefighter, Marshall.
It's good to have friends like you.
Safety tip. Always check the weather forecast before you go on an adventure.
Thermal goggles help us see through dust and darkness by finding the heat from living things.
A windbreak or shield works by changing the direction of the wind to create a safe space. Look at them go, safe and sound. Another successful mission, Ryder!
You did great today, pups. Everyone is safe. Catch Rubble. See you on the next rescue.
PAW Patrol!